Hi everyone,
Hi everyone.
and welcome to Little
Welcome
Monster
to
Eats.
Little Monster Eats.
My name is Sandy, and this is...
Brandon.
And Brandon is my 4-year-old, and he's going to help us put his lunch together today. Is that right?
Mhm.
Okay, so I'm here to show you some fun and simple, affordable ways to pack the perfect lunch for your little monster. Are you my little monster?
Mhm.
Okay, and maybe some of you big monsters out there will enjoy this too.
Ah,
All right.
I mean you are a big monster.
Yeah, I'm a big monster, and you're what?
I'm a big monster.
Yeah, you're a little monster. Okay, so the first meal we're going to do today is pretty simple. It's every kid's favorite, and I love it too. It's a basic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Pretty easy to do. We already made the sandwich today, so we have it together. And we're just going to make it a little fun today and do a star theme. You like that? Okay, so how are we going to do this? We're going to cut it. Got the sandwich. We're going to use a cookie cutter. So you can get these anywhere at any store. We have this one today, so we're going to go with this. You want to help me press it down? 2 hands. All right. So usually Brandon likes to get involved with making his meals, and it gets him to eat a little better too, because then he knows that he did it himself. So he usually does the initial press, and then I kind of go in and make sure we get all the edges down here. Once we get that, we'll break these up. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and put that in your plate right there. And then since we have a little bit extra bread here, we're gonna try to see if we can get another, looks like we can't get that one, but we can get some mini stars going on here. Go ahead, press it down. Good job. Oh. Oopsies. This is gonna be a super tiny star sandwich here. There you go. Is that cute?
Yeah.
All right, see if we can get maybe 2 more. Got to get my pick. Here you go. And then,
That's cute.
very cute. And 1 more. And don't worry, the excess bread here is still gonna go into our bellies, right? Yeah. All right, so let's put this to the side. So usually with these meals, we try to make it really easy, really quick to do. Sometimes I do it right in the morning before he goes to school. And we always try to have some fruits, some vegetables in it. But not so today, we're going to add some grapes. Since he really likes eating grapes, I'm going to go ahead and put it right here.
But
And
what about orange?
orange? Well, we don't have any orange today, but I have something else for you for your fruit instead. So let's go ahead and put this here. Now you guys can put this in a bento box. Usually we put it in like a little bento box or a little plastic container and use these little cups to divide them. But he is actually still on his holiday break, so he doesn't have school today. So we're just going to eat this at home today. Another thing is I have these cute little cutters. They kind of came with this set, but they have letters. So I'm going to spell out the word star today. He's already learned how to read, but his spelling needs a little bit more help. So I figured if we add this, it'll be more fun, and he can see it every day. What does that say?
Star.
Star, yeah. And I cut a few extra stars with the cheese. So this is cheese. I use Swiss cheese for these, the stars here, and then we use like a Colby Jack for the word. And
What does that
then
mean?
it's different types of cheeses. You like cheese, don't you? Yeah. All right. And then for his vegetable, I decided to also make stars using carrots. He doesn't really particularly care much for carrots, but we're gonna go ahead and try since they are in the star shape and all. So let's go ahead and put those over there. And then as a treat, he loves, what's these? Pretzels. So we'll go ahead and have that there on the side. And then for his other fruit and also treat, I decided to go ahead and give him some applesauce. Now the teachers don't really like the kids eating out of these cups right now. He's only 4 years old and is preschool, so it gets a bit messy. but I got these really cute reusable pouches. Now, of course, you can go ahead and just buy them already pre-packaged, but in recent news and in past news, you see a lot of cases where they find mold and things in them. So ever since he was a baby, I was always very nervous about buying those pre-packaged ones. So I found these online, and you actually can clean them, reuse them. You open the bottom up. They have like a little pouch zipper thing here. You put whatever it is that you want to fill it up with, and then you can go ahead and close it off. And then when it's time for him to eat, he goes and just opens this by himself, and he just squeezes it out just like your pre-bought ones. So this is a really cool brand. This one is made by a brand called Squishy. And you can buy them online. They have really, really cute designs, different animals and everything. And he chose this one today. Which animal is this, Brandon?
Penguin.
A penguin. Yes, penguin. Penguin's super cute. So we'll go ahead and put that there with his lunch. And I just added a thermos bottle here. We just put milk in here. So he usually just brings milk or water to school with him. So today we have milk there. And
this is Spider-Man.
It is Spider-Man. You like Spider-Man?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And he chose these two picks today. What are these?
The same thing.
Yeah, they're the same thing. I don't know where we're going to put them. Where do you want to put them? You can go ahead and use them.
On here.
On there, okay. And where else?
The same thing.
Oh, the same thing. Oh, they look like eyes.
Ooh, it's like, you know, it looks like a starfish.
A starfish. Yeah, it does look like a starfish.
Yeah,
You're
but it
right.
has eyes.
Yeah, that's pretty cute. That's
Yeah.
right. Okay, are you excited about eating this lunch? Yeah? All right. So that concludes this. Like I said, we're just trying to make some very simple meals, very affordable, and very fun for the kids to eat. So hopefully you guys like what you see. You can press the like button on the bottom. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe, or you can follow me on Instagram at Little Monster Eats. One word. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.